Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do the Tunisian simple stitch. We're gonna start with our yarn, and I'll also be using a 3mm Tunisian crochet hook. Now to make the simple stitch, you can start with any number of foundation chains. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be doing 10. So make your slip knot, and I'm going to be making 10 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now once you've completed your foundation chain, in the second stitch from the hook, which would be here, we're going to insert our crochet hook and pull up a loop, but we're not going to complete the stitch. And we're going to do that in each stitch going all the way down. Now you'll see that I have 2 loops on my hook. I'm going to insert my hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop, and now I have 3 loops on my hook. Now let's do that going all the way down. Now you should have the same number of loops on your hook as we had our foundation chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now go ahead and yarn over chain 1. That's going to be our return pass for this row. And to close out the row, we're going to yarn over and pull through 2. So we're pretty much going to do that going all the way down. Yarn over, pull through 2, 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 and we're going to do that until we're all the way at the end and we only have 1 loop on the hook. Now once completed, you'll notice that we have vertical bars going all the way across the row. Now we already have a loop on our hook, so we're going to skip the first vertical bar, and in the second one we're going to insert our hook behind it and pull up a loop. So now we have 2 loops on our hook, and we're going to do that in each of the vertical bars going down. And in the last stitch, instead of only inserting our hook to the front, you can turn your work to the side, and you'll notice that you have this vertical bar here that's at the front, but there's also a back bar. We're going to insert our hook through both. And pull up a loop. And then we're going to do our return pass once again, so chain 1, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and do that going all the way down. Now that's really all it takes to do a simple stitch. You repeat that pattern in each row until you're finished. So again, insert your hook behind the vertical bars going down. And once we're at our last stitch, insert our hook into the front and back of the stitch for that last piece there. And we should always have 10 loops on our hook once we're finished. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Always, this should happen in every row. So whatever amount of foundation chains you started with, that's the number of loops that you should have on your hook. And to close out the round, we chain 1 for our return pass, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 until we're at the end. Now this is the final look. If you liked this video, please go ahead and hit the like button and let me know if you have any questions at all in the comments and I'll get back to you. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so as yet. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!